Hey guys, so here is the app called MyFitnessPal. We'll just click on it and get right into it. So this would be the main page that you would see when you after you've downloaded the app onto your smart device. If you don't have a smart device, interesting to note that you can also do this on your computer at home or in the computer lab at school. So students don't need to have a cell phone or an iPad to use this application. So how this application works is at the very bottom you can see the plus sign. So we're going to click on that and then menu will pop up with all the different options that we can include. So things like how much water have we drank in, the amount of food that we've eaten, as well as exercise. So these are all things that MyFitnessPal can record for us and track for us. But we're going to use it for food logging purposes, so we'll click on the food icon and we're going to start with our breakfast. So we're going to record what we ate for breakfast today. If you've used the app before, there will be a list of recent things that you've included in breakfasts. So if you've eaten the same thing again, so let's say I've eaten Special K vanilla almond cereal for the second time, I can click on that and it'll take me to that and I can decide where to go from there, how many servings I've eaten, etc. If you are doing this for the first time, just on the top here, you're going to click on search for a food. You're going to click on that and type in the food that you've eaten for breakfast. So maybe you ate eggs and toast and you would write that in there and it would find it for you. Another interesting thing about this is when we click on the barcode on the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see that you can scan QR codes. So if you have purchased a box of Nutrigrain bars, that you can scan that box and it'll put the servings of that food item into your food log for you. So that's a really easy way to create a food log. On the top right hand corner here, we can see that there is a pie chart that it's blank right now because there's nothing entered into my breakfast for this morning. But if there were, it would show me how many carbohydrates, fats, proteins that I've consumed throughout the day. We can also click on that and we can see how many nutrients from all the way from macronutrients down to vitamins and minerals and how many of these different food items have we eaten, which is interesting information for students to maybe look at as well. So that is MyFitnessPal. There's a lot of different applications that can be done with this app. But in terms of tracking food logs, it's relatively straightforward and easy to use. So hopefully this is something that you can maybe try with your physical education class in the near future.